while cleaning out my makeup drawer. What did I ever use that for? Who knew I had 8,000 kinds of base? For years I've roamed the shopping mall. Dozens of scripts, I've tried them all for something that would heal my acne face. Then I finally solved the problem with Rodan and Fields. Just look at the results that this stuff yields. For the first time in forever, there's no acne, there's no shame. For the first time in forever, no spots causing so much pain. Don't need to be Jan or Tammy, 'cause now I'm makeup free. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I can just be me.